a journey and a destination. Serene beauty. White nights. Authentic experiences. Hiiumaa, Estonia's second largest island, boasts picturesque views, rich history, and a laid-back way of life. The island is slightly larger than Germany's largest island, Rügen, or the city of Berlin. The over 100 nautical mile journey around the island can be divided into day-long journeys with 4 marinas offering a wide range of services. You can moor here and look around the island on a bike or by car, as well as enjoy local food and festivities. Largest of the marinas, in the island's capital Kärdla, can moor up to 80 vessels. Both Orjaku Marina, nearby a nature reserve highly valued by birdwatchers, and Sõru, the place for popular festivities, can host 40 vessels. And, with the season coming to an end, boats and yachts can be stored in Kärdla over the winter, with additional services offered. So in spring, you can continue exactly where you left off.